Hey guys, welcome back. Still tearing down the motor here. Sorry about the last video with all the static in it. I had an external microphone that was basically shit. So I apologise about that, but there's nothing I can do about it now that it's been taped. Hopefully the next ones go a bit smoother. Welcome back guys. In this video we're going to take out the pistons and the crank and see if there's any damage to that or so forth, so let's get into it. First thing we'll do is we'll just mark the pistons so we know which order they're going to go back in. Just give them a punch. Let's start removing them. Yeah, they look worn. They look old. There's no deep gashes in them or anything. No seems to be any marks in the crank or any deep gashes or anything, so no, they look okay. Right. Yeah, the rings haven't seized, so they're still moving freely. Oil rings a bit tight, but yeah, the rings move freely, which is good. Alright, that's number one. Move on to number two. Number two out, and we've got a broken ring. Again, they're moving freely, so they're not all, and it doesn't look like to be a whole lot of carbon build up either in there, so it should be a bit easier to clean then. They all look pretty good. There's no gouges or anything in there. Crank looks good, shiny. Number 3. Rings are moving freely. Oil's a little stiff, but it's moving. Alright, we've got all the pistons out, so next up we take the crank out. Yeah, it's moving freely, so that's good. Let's get into it. That looks pretty good. That looks a bit of burnt oil or so forth, but there's no gouges. Next up we'll take the plugs out, get rid of them. I'll have to get the ones out of the back later once I get it off. I just finished pressure washing the engine and so forth, getting rid of all the oil and that, and I just thought while I had it there, I just put a little bit of paint stripper on it, get rid of the bulk of the paint, and we'll pressure wash that off. Just when you do this and you pressure wash it off, just put on a pair of glasses, because the last thing you want to do is get paint stripper in your eyes. So it's ended up coming up pretty good. Most of the paint's off it. Makes it a bit easier. The rest of it we'll just get with a wire brush and so forth later on. So I'll just wait for this to dry out a bit, spray it down with WD-40 so it stops it from flash rusting. And I think I'll leave it at that for this video. So keep an eye for the next one, guys. Thanks.